Ever seen airplane wings bounce or bend mid-flight? Looks scary, right? But it's actually by design. Wings flex because they're meant to. They're not stiff. They're engineered to bend like shock absorbers. As the plane flies, lift pulls the wings upward, sometimes with tens of tons of force. If they were rigid, they'd snap like twigs. In turbulence, flexible wings absorb energy and reduce stress on the fuselage, kinda like a car's suspension. Before a jet ever flies, wings are tested to bend way beyond anything they'd face in real life, sometimes up to 150% of maximum load. So that flex you see? It's not a problem. It's proof the plane's handling the sky like it's supposed to. Airplane wings flex because they're strong, not weak. Built to bend so they don't break.